Basecamp Business Project Management App. The pros, the cons. Basecamp Business Project Management App is a widely recognized tool designed to help teams stay organized, communicate efficiently, and manage projects from start to finish. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just a simple to-do list app. Basecamp offers a full suite of project management and collaboration tools that can streamline team workflows. On the pros side, Basecamp centralizes communication, task management, and file sharing in one platform. Teams can create to-do lists, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress effortlessly. Built-in messaging boards, real-time chat, and automatic check-ins reduce the need for lengthy emails and meetings. File storage and document sharing keep everything accessible in one place. Basecamp's simplicity and intuitive interface make it easy for new users to adopt quickly, while mobile apps ensure teams stay connected on the go. Its flat pricing model is also appealing for businesses that want to avoid per-user fees. On the con side, Basecamp may lack advanced features like Gantt charts, detailed reporting, or native time tracking, which can be a limitation to project managers handling complex workflows. Customization is also limited compared to other project management platforms. Teams accustomed to more structured project use might find Basecamp's open-ended layout too loose for detailed planning. In conclusion, Basecamp Business Project Management App is ideal for teams that value simplicity, streamlined communication, and centralized project management. While it may not have every advanced feature, its focus on clarity, ease of use, and team collaboration makes it a reliable choice for small to mid-sized businesses aiming to improve organization and efficiency.